Hello, children. Today we will learn about solids. Before starting this, let us once revise the plane figure. We have learned about circle, rectangle, square, and triangle. These are plane figures. Now, plane shape has only length and breadth. So it is two-dimensional figures. Okay. Now, when adding third dimension in a plane figure, we generate a solid shape. So, a solid shape has three dimensions, that is length, breadth, and height. Now, the first solid shape is cuboid. See, over here, different examples of a cuboid are shown. And let us read the properties of it. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. And all the faces of a cuboid are rectangular in shape. I will show you one example, children. See, this is a matchbox. Now, this matchbox is cuboid in shape. Now, see, we will first see the first property of a cuboid. First property is it has 6 faces, okay? Now we will count the 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay? These are the 6 faces. And see, all the faces are rectangular in shape. Right? Now, the next property is it has 8 vertices. We have learnt about vertices, children. See, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So how many vertices in a cuboid? There are 8 vertices. Now we will learn about edges. See, this is one line segment and this is an edge. So let us count edges. 1, this will become 2, okay, this will become 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 and 12. So it has 12 edges. We will now come to next shape, that is cube. So a cube is a special shape of a cuboid with all sides of the same length. Now see, children, the only difference between the cube and the cuboid is that the face of a cuboid is rectangular in shape and face of the cube is square in shape where all the sides are equal. Okay? Now, let us read the properties. A cube has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. Each face of a cube is a square. 2 more faces are there, normally front and back face. I'll show you this. Have you seen the dice, children? Yes, we use this dice to play Ludo. Now this is cubical in shape. Now see, children. First we will see how many faces it has. It has 6 faces. It is numbered like this. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 faces are there and it has been numbered. Okay. Now the next property is 8 vertices. See, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Over here, see, it will become 6, then 7, and it will become 8 over here, right? And now we will learn about edges. Again, over here there will be 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This way it will become 8. Now it will become 9, 10, 11 and 12. So it has 12 edges. Okay, children? It is same as cuboid, but the only difference is this, that the face of it is square in shape and the face of cuboid is rectangular in shape. Now next shape is sphere. Have you seen a ball? A ball has a special shape. Some types of balls are shown below. Now see, this is a cricket ball, football, marbles, woolen balls. Now see children, we generally get confused. We say that a ball is circle in shape. No, it is wrong children. A ball is sphere in shape. Now I'll show you one ball. See, this is spherical. Okay. Now a sphere has one face. One face. Okay. A sphere has no vertex and no edge. A sphere has a curved surface. See, this is the one face of a ball and it has a curved surface. You can see it has a curve in it. Okay. And now it has no vertex and no edges because it has no line segment, right? Another example of a sphere is orange. Okay. Now at your home you can find out different things which are spherical in shape, which are cuboid in shape, which are cube in shape, cubical in shape, and you can write the examples of it in your rough copies. Now let us come to another shape, solid shape, that is cylinder. Now see the electrical tube, pencil crayons, etc. These are of cylinder shape. Now some more cylindrical shapes are shown below. See, electric tube, drum, garden roller, battery cell, crayons, bottle, candle, gas cylinder. We will read the properties of cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 edges. A cylinder has no vertex. 2 faces of a cylinder have plane surfaces and one face is a curved surface. I will show you one example. This is battery cell, children. You must have seen at your home. Now see, first property is it has 3 faces. Let us see the 3 faces. 1, 2 and this is 3. This part. Okay. Now we will see about the edges. It has 2 edges and a cylinder has no vertex. See, there are no vertex over here. Now 2 faces of a cylinder have plane surfaces. This is a plane surface, this is a plane surface, and the other one is the curved surface. The third one is the curved surface. Okay. Now this is an example of cylinder. So it is cylindrical in shape. Now we will go to another shape, that is cone. So children, you all have seen ice cream cone, conical cap, then you all have also seen tent, funnel, carrot, turnip. All these are conical in shape. Now we will read the property of a cone. A cone has 1 vertex, 1 edge and 2 faces. One face of a cone has a curved surface. The other face of a cone has a plane surface. Edge of a cone is also curved. See, this is one vertex. This is one face, which is curved face like this. This is a plane face. Okay, and this is an edge. See, okay, this is an edge. Now I will show you one example of a cone. See, this is a funnel. We use it to pour liquid, right? Now this is conical in shape, right? Even this carrot is conical in shape. So children, you will notice many things in and around which are of solid shapes. You have to identify whether it is conical, cylindrical, or cuboid, or cubical, spherical, and you can write down in your copies. It will be a kind of activity for you all. So children, I hope this topic is clear to you all. If you will have any problem, you can ask us in the online class. Do solve the assignments, children. All the best. Take care.